I. Sorry guys. So I had to rectify an anomaly, but I'm back. Kofi Mole will join me soon, and we are going to have a conversation about his music and what is happening in his life right now. Yes, Kofi Mole. Yes. Me that he get some issue. I should say if he come on live, I go can't blast me, but I go take him like that. You understand? But anyway, I'm waiting for him so that we start the conversation. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon, Lil Duku. The head is big for a reason. Yes. Where is Bra Kofi? Yes, I'm waiting for Mr. Kofi Mole. Yes. I'll be going live with him. We are going to have a conversation about everything happening in his life. So, Charlie, top up your bundle because it is about to go down. Anyway, so as I said, tomorrow at 10 a.m. on MX24, you can join the live feed on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. I'll be live with General and Tetia to talk about what has trended during the week. And yes, you don't want to miss that show. That is an agenda show. I think, okay, yes. So Mr. Mole will be joining us in some few minutes, and we will just go straight into it. So please don't leave. Tell your people that Sheldon is live. Let me on the phone. Boom! Yes, so he will be joining me soon. The conversation is going. We are going to have the conversation. Yes, and let me see. She's gonna make me cry. It's gonna make me cry. Ba 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 ba. Any DJ, boy, no more. You buy a bomb Kofi Mole in your wife. In the meantime, in between time. Hey, Gamali from Franco. Okay. Where's Kofi Mole? I have sent Mr. Mole an invite. I'm waiting for him to join. The internet to Ghana internet. Yes, I'm waiting for Mr. Mole. So yes, enjoy. Hey. Oh, Mr. Mole, where are you? Okay. So, alright. Good evening, big man.
Good evening. Mr. Sheldon, wagwan, bro.
I do. Everything cool for your side.
Oh, Nyame do me be a cool now, say.
Mr. Mahuyo, Matisi as one of them fight. You know, maybe then I'm my own.
Oh, because on animal fight. Fight. Yeah.
Oh no, maybe no in fight, but my social media manager so who message that and there was also work, you know, then I'm there.
Oh, what there? Oh, there's so I will starting, you know, I mean, one issue be an even man. One at the beginning, or you know, you pull your small. You be madam.
Na bibi aboko de.
And I mean, I'm just a shame call by Italian.
Ah, na say how I pass about be how no. What's your corner where you there right now?
Oh, I did car inside. I did car inside.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
but I
Okay.
did close to East
So,
Legon.
you there where?
I did close to East Legon that way.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
I
But what
like
is happening
Duku
with
gang,
you?
Duku gang.
Gang. Anyway, so but I mean, what is happening in your camp, music wise? Are we getting any releases or what is happening?
It be like I go chuck it for a while. I dey try put my tape together and Machiavelli. That be the tape I dey work on for a very long time now. But the way things they go, anytime soon, yeah, the tape will feel drop. We could see by next month or something. Yeah, so I dey work on Machiavelli and it's coming out soon.
Okay, that is an album or an EP.
An EP, yeah. I dey prepare for the album, like the EP for the meantime. Make my people enjoy and make them hold on to
Okay, and sa EP, you know, artists ben sa na we recruit their projects, no.
I think people that my favorite artists for Ghana, some of them my favorite artists. Also a band like a surprise. It'll be more. So I keep them low key. I will drop the track. So I think people that my favorite artists with them a lot.
Okay, so people that my favorite artists did the work top.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so there is a conversation out there that when you started with this rap thing, then you were spitting like bars, but at some point you swayed and it was like the flow wasn't as it used to be. So it's like you sway from dropping the bars and just giving us the light ones and all those things. That is my personal experience, and that is something I've heard from other people. Do you feel like you have swayed from what you started as a rapper with, like the kind of passion you started rapping with?
Okay, so as I start, that might be true. I was like a hard rapper. I like bars, wordplays, metaphors and stuff, but the more I do, I don't want to try new sounds. You get me? I don't want to try new sounds. I don't want to put in melodies and stuff, and people were enjoying it. So I felt like more. You get me? Yeah. So I'm not really. I'm not stuck on that vibe. Like I dumb down my vibe or anything, but trust me, the tape coming out, people will feel the old Kofi Mole, like different vibe.
Okay.
Harder sounds and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so you admit that at some point you dumb down for people to, in order to fit in the conversation, right?
Not so. Like my vibe will be on man.
Hey, this internet,
they give vibes are like it get humor. Sometimes my flow be on my squad. It's almost it's not like first. Sometimes too there it was just bars and stuff. So
Okay.
I feel like I just they keep varieties and things. But I see my fans they holler me. Kofi Mole drop spread the news too. My first tape was spread the news. That one was like a very hard hip hop.
Okay.
They are like I should drop spread the news too and stuff. So I know that they missed my old Kofi Mole vibe, and that one is coming back soon on Machiavelli.
Okay, so what is the Kofi Mole style right now? What is the vibe right now?
All right, so the Machiavelli coming out is just about me. So far as I go day one corner, I read things, my society, my environment, and everything. Things I'm up to, things I'm about to do, like things I'm going through as I've been at my one corner near the. And then the sounds there, I'm not just limited to one sound. I can do melodies on beats. I can do everything. So what's new from Kofi Mole is like varieties of different sounds.
Okay. Okay, so do you feel like you have been accepted? Your sound has been accepted in the music industry. You feel like you have cemented your status in the industry that at some point, even when you decide to quit music or stop it, you feel like, nah, I came and I brought up this sound and it has been accepted. I am having some sort of influence on music consumers or on the youth or something like that. Do you feel like you have cemented that kind of status in the industry yet?
Yeah, I think so because I get like a full army with them back. Like every question, Kofi Mole them go pick. Like I have like an army. I force against them. They my back. I just say, I can't get influence on a lot of people who they vibe to my story, who they vibe to my vibes. Like I get like cult following. Like it's crazy. People are ready to die for me, and I'm ready to die for them too. Then they like my vibe. More we talk about Apostle Love. As I dropped Don't Be Late, people were feeling that love vibe and stuff. So I decided to like put a tape out and then make it like a love tape. And also made it by and Bestie, Obipe, and all the rest of the songs. Like people were vibing to it. I think they've accepted Kofi Mole. Yeah, they are just waiting for me to give more, and that's what I'm about to do now.
Okay, so the new wave, the Asakaa and the drill kind of music, do you think that it has that kind of potency to stand the test of time? As in the way high life and hip life have been with us for a very long time. Do you think the Asakaa and the new wave, the drill, it has that kind of potency to establish itself in the industry for a long time, or is just one of those things?
I think drill music has come to stay because it has some solid roots. Looking at the origin, like Chicago to the UK, and then right now it did the whole world. This not sometimes, excuse me to say, CBB originated from Ghana, and people try to downplay, but where drill is coming from now, yeah. So I don't think that drill is going to die. Like drill is here and it's here to stay for good. That's how I feel.
Also, people argue authenticity, like the drill isn't something that is Ghanaian like Wanatin and all those things. What do you say about that? Do you think musicians are allowed to explore, but the argument is we are just hopping on a new wave just to make the numbers and the money, and it will just die out. Like it's something we can weave it into our system.
If people say drill will be like Ghana sound, I don't agree with them because I feel like some of the best drill songs I hear are from Ghana. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the drill songs from Ghana be crazy, and then I think it be hip hop. Drill be like hip hop. Yeah, if you agree with me, drill be like hip hop.
Okay.
So we are doing hip hop already, and then drill is what we count. So it don't be big deal, cry. Yeah, we are really doing it.
Okay.
They do one.
Okay. So let's come to the industry. You are an artist, so I want to ask you these questions. With producer, you did the industry inside where you feel like they understand your sound, and when you enter the booth, you will just spit on his beat any day, anytime, anywhere.
First of all, I would say Keso, because Keso way he make I see who I really be. The time he don't see drop mess, like Keso really make I catch a sound like this. The kind of sound people want to hear from Kofi Mole. Shout to Keso, Kobe J to me and Kobe J have couple songs. Me Don't Be Late, me about out. People love it, and we have more sounds out there. I can't wait for my people to hear too. Young Dems too. I've done couple things with Young Dems, and then he's been amazing. Like many times in the now work, the sound, the vibe. Yeah.
Okay. Do you still fuck with Ground Up?
Oh yeah, Charlie. Every day we are together. The last time me and I I was there. Kwesi was there. Kwame was there. Twitch was there. Sometimes Scanty, if you know Scanty, he's like the A&R.
Yeah, I know Scanty.
Yeah, sure. Young Dems, like with the LinkUp bar. It don't be like first because then time we did the same studio for Tema. But I be like we that studio closed, so we make like right now the boys split, but at the right time we the LinkUp, then do our things we do. Yeah.
Okay. Are you signed to any record label?
Nah, 100% independent.
So how do you do it as an independent artist?
Yeah, Charlie, I get my team. I get road manager. I get road manager. I get my PA. I get somebody who they control my online stuff and me. Yeah, like we've been trying our best. We dey do our things small, like pushing, every day pushing. I know say it no go be like if they on a label, but I mean, you know, my team too, we dey try on our best. They do how we go feel do. Just hard work. I mean, you know.
Have you been approached by a record label before?
Oh yeah, a couple times. I've been approached a couple times.
Why didn't you sign?
I think I know really the vibe with the deals where they come. The deals way then they bring
Okay.
vibe with time. Yeah.
So is it the money or the whole contracting?
Yeah, the full contract, everything. Sometimes and you might be I know the vibe with time. So me can't say like maybe don't you know the vibe with my own, so we just squash them, then we move. Yeah.
Okay. So okay, cool. So what be your inspiration? What they inspire you to just wake up there and go into the booth and just give bars, like go on the mic, go hard and do your music? What they inspire you? I know you're going to say your kid, so it's cool.
Oh yeah, they inspire me. They give me the energy to do more because right now I be like a father, a full responsible man. So they keep me the goal. But you know, my daily runnings, you know, anytime you wake up, a lot they happen. From my papa,
Okay.
your runnings you have to do to survive. Everything, you know, you end up at a studio and you know how I felt during the day. And when I run with him, maybe some issue you had with someone, some situation be I see, and no man, I know we put it in music and then we drop them.
How do you balance fatherhood with music? Because I'm sure you have established some kind of relationship with your kid. How do you balance fatherhood with music? Because I'm sure you are always on the move. Like you are here, you are there. How do you make yourself available to your kid?
So I have my personal studio at home.
Okay.
Right now I don't normally move outside to studios. Anytime I want to record, I'll record at home. So I'm able to get my time for my boy. Or go school during the day. So during the day I'll utilize it and make whatever music thing I want to do. He'll go to bed and then I'll go back to recording and stuff. So maybe I say at one place and I have my studio here, so I'm able to balance it. But sometimes between the scarce, if I feel like I should go outside and record, between the scarce, maybe he has no idea what's up. But yeah, it be tough situation sometimes. Actually, I mean, you know, we normalize them.
So you made mention of the fact that he has actually influenced your lifestyle. If you are not melody sometime, but right now you are a responsible person. How has he influenced? I mean, you are a celebrity, you are an artist. I mean, sometimes you could think about something like Charlie, let me not do it. I have a kid and all these things. How has your kid influenced you in that aspect?
Charlie, you know, say yes, the OD at any the OD and auntie. So I'm very cautious about the stuff I do. Right now, at the sense of my vibes, like from Nakaveli, it's like a new Kofi. The vibes, everything is different. Cause there are some things I do, I don't really mean it. Like it's just entertainment, but maybe I won't feel okay if my son goes up to do it. You get me? So right now, Charlie, I have to create like a good path for him to follow. Yeah, so I make sure I do the right thing since Charlie. I'm a father now.
Yeah. Okay. Have you heard of Asakaa album? Have you soaked the album?
Yeah, Asakaa. So the day the album dropped, then a day on my way, they go GIG, they go perform around 12 a.m. So on my way, you know, that be the album I take. I listen. I was able to like finish the whole album. And we take from rolling some cigars all the way down, Charlie. Yeah, hard album.
You have been recruited to direct the music video for Jara.
Yes.
How is that going to be possible?
Oh, easy, cause na me tie Jara no on my way to na me na Machimota baby na me tie Jara. I got to some area and then the song was playing and then it really matched with the area, so I got inspired at that time and then I'm going to do it. My Sunday first PDF I've sent it out. They are going through still not the Akabe, you know. I think by the close of by the close of the week, and I said next week immunity and not everything is set, and then if I will be allowed to proceed yeah, Kofi Mole is going to direct Jara and people will laugh because I'm coming with a hard concept.
Have you directed before? Have you directed a music video before?
No, but most of my videos I give some input. Most of my videos on set, I'm able to say, and then it makes sense where they put for inside. I love art, like I really love art. So yeah, thanks for for that opportunity. We become quick.
Okay. So what is the most useless talent that you have? The most useless talent.
Most useless talent.
Like you know, say no, this talent quite
I beg you, what be the most useless talent to get? Make I get clue answer this question. This question I don't hear something before.
Oh me, I go fake draw, but it be useless to me because I know they take do anything.
Oh, that
yes. So
oh, okay.
Maybe you can do something that this one I don't. Maybe your dream no share that in that space, or you don't have any useless. Your talents are all solid.
I be good cook. I prepare to. I will feel I'm a good cook. But I know they use them.
Okay.
But so yeah, right now I'll go put them in like irrelevance because I'm planning to.
Okay.
I'm planning to like have like some food joint or something and they come sell food soon time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that
okay.
That time,
so you will use it eventually.
Oh, say.
You will use it eventually.
Yeah, I will utilize. I'll be good. I'm one more cook. I the cook.
Oh, okay. And I say one would be able to keep you. Oh, internet. Oh. Okay, so the network, we're having a problem with the network, but let me see if I can I'll go add him again. I'm having a problem with the network. I was enjoying the conversation, man. Anyway, so that's Kofi Mole saying he said his useless talent is cooking. But right now they be like they put them to good use and all those things. So yes, it makes sense to him. So if we don't get to add him again, let me see. Oh. I was fucking enjoying this interview, man. The internet fucked up, bro. Anyway, let me read some of the comments. Why you always do for medical? Why you always do for medical in talk like that? I don't think that is relevant to what we are talking about here. But anyway, I don't hate me. Oh, Kofi Mole is back. I just want to conclude everything so that God. Oh, damn, man. I want to conclude the conversation so that we can go to sleep. You understand? I was having a very good time. Okay, he's back. He's back.
Back again.
Ghana internet is out. Stress.
I make sorry. Be like me, my side. Be like some poor way come through way cut. Yeah, but sorry.
Oh, maybe no worry, no problem. So moving forward, you said you have an EP coming up and all those things. After the EP, what is next? What are we to expect from you in the next 2 years, 3 years? What are the projects? What is the is aspiration and all those things?
Charlie, as we begin this whole thing, like the whole goal was, Charlie, to spread the music worldwide across the globe, like take it to a new level. Yeah. So after this EP,
Okay.
I did prepare other tapes, probably an album, and then after the album, you will find a way like enter other countries, other continents, and Charlie play shows, spread Kofi Mole all across the world. Yeah, that'd be the motive to keep on
Okay.
going to go to other countries. Because I get fans for everywhere. If I check my streams,
Okay.
people there Afghanistan with and they listen to Kofi Mole. So any place.
So do you plan on touring Afghanistan?
If chance they
You
why
won't go there. Okay, okay. But you plan on touring any other African country?
yes, for sure, Charlie.
Okay.
Yeah, because more time promoters from countries like Liberia, Nigeria, and stuff, they hit me up. My mind day. So we too they put things together, and they made them they put things together, and at the right time, I go visit other countries too for Africa and do things too for them.
Okay. All right, Kofi. So make your last words, then we could just bounce out of here.
Fast. I better come again.
So can our last words now? Yeah, free.
Oh, Charlie, make a shout out to everybody who watch this thing. Prince Thought too, I see you. Young Dara, Easy Art, Ugliest Hot Girl. Charlie, I see you. Shrinko, I hope say you guys hear Shrinko. Yeah, Shrinko be the new team out now. I'll see everybody the stream. It did every platform, Apple Music to every corner you go see. After boom play, go check out Shrinko. Charlie Machiavelli is dropping more from Kofi Mole. Sorry for starving you, Charlie. I'm not saying my starving watch. It's been like 6 months. I keep mute, but right now they can't remove him. Maybe one and I see you. Yeah, Kwadwo Sheldon to pick up to yourself, bro. You do amazing. Yeah, you really control the industry. Like I love what you do. Just say you for react to my songs too, bro. I beg you.
Oh, I go do one.
Right.
Me that you go react to Machiavelli, don't worry. Me that you go do the reaction.
My mind.
Me now go come to your studio, then come to one.
My mind day, bro. Thanks for the support from day one, bro. From day one.
All right. Charlie, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it.
Bless up, bro. Gangster.
All right. So that is Kofi Mole coming in with the conversation, you understand? So my name is Kwadwo Sheldon. This has been the link up with Mole. Same time next week, I will be here. We're going to talk about, we are going to have an interesting guest again, and we'll talk about whatever is happening in their lives, whether it's music and movie, whatever, bro. We just having casual conversation, you understand? So yes, as I said, tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning, I'll be live on TV, MX24 GH with General and Titia, and yes, the content will be streamed live on YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. So join us. And also follow our Instagram page. Don't come and just watch the content. Follow our Instagram page, MX24GH, everywhere. And let's vibe, you understand? Me doing the Kwadwo Sheldon. And I'm out. Thanks.